Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami grasshopper. For this I need a regular piece of origami paper. If you like our video, please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done it. We start with the origami paper, white side up, and we fold it in half diagonally. Then we fold it again in half. Okay. Now we turn the model and we're going to open this flap. We insert the finger here and press it. So now we have two pockets here. And then we turn it and do the same for the other flap. We insert the finger and flatten it. Okay. Now we have 4 pockets like this. Next, we bring this corner to the crease in the middle that we just created. And press and do the same for the left side. And now we bring this corner here and we crease it here. Make a crease here. Okay, we open it and now we're gonna open this flap like this. And flatten it. Next, we're going to make a crease here from this corner to the middle, and we bring this flap up. And then we do the same for this side. And now here we have 2 diamonds and we're going to fold them in half. So we bring this corner here. And this corner here. Next, we bring this corner to the middle. We're going to make the head of the grasshopper, and then we bring it back. We make a pleat, but we leave like roughly ½ centimeter, like this. Now we're going to fold the whole model in half. So this is the head, and these are the wings, and we're going to bring them up, fold them like this, and the other one as well. And that's it. Our grasshopper is done. You can put them on top of each other like this. I hope you found our videos interesting, and if you did, please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take a look at the description below this video to find links to other fun origami models and also to some interesting gift wrapping tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time!